I'm going to explore a place called Highdown Hill, and there's apparently a grave on the top of Highdown Hill with a little bit of a spooky story. The best way to get to Highdown Hill is to follow the A259, and then before you get to the main roundabout you see that little road, and you just make your way up there, and there's a beautiful car park at the top. Ah, this is a nice pretty little entrance to wherever we might be going. Hello Mr. Magpie, you gonna come on a cycle with us? Yes. It's a lot easier tying on a single bike rather than it is multiple bikes, I'll tell you that. Look at that little bird there, hovering. Oh, it's embarrassing, but I don't know the name. I think it must be a sparrowhawk. This grave is of a chap called John Oliver, and he was like this huge eccentric in the Sussex area. He used to communicate with the pirates by doing different signals on the sails. Because here you can see all the way over to the sea. You can't see because it's too bright in the background, but trust me, you can. It's right behind me. Anywho, the legend goes that if you run round this grave 7 times, you will be haunted. Okay, and over to the gates. I thought it wasn't going to be as nice as it was today, but it is. It's lovely. And I'm not joking, it's strange because you do not notice this hill. Okay, I know it's not a huge hill, but you certainly don't notice it from when you're down on the road. So we're officially reaching the top of the hill. Woo! What a beautiful view. All behind us you can see Worthing, and that's the sea in the distance. Absolutely stunning. And again, October. Who could ask for anything better? Oh. Okay, let's try this. Oh, shit. Oh. Stupid John. Okay, move. Oh. That was daft, wasn't it? Look, there's a windmill. I wonder if that belonged to John Oliver, or the remnants of a windmill. Hello? Hello, hello, hello. I have no idea where this is going. Hello, sorry. Hello. I've got it in grandma gear now. For as long as I can. Oops. Oh. Forget that, I'm going to walk. Waiting for Belle again. You've got to get a bit fitter, lady. You've got to get a bit fitter, Belle. Here, here. I'm back to the car. This way. That was fun. Gotta do that again.